Let's welcome in the new year with this all-new bright white 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee Trailhawk. It's everything you love about the Grand Cherokee with even more features, like the air ride suspension, giving you 3 different levels of height, and off-road tires so you can enjoy driving on all types of terrain. The Trailhawk package also includes granite crystal badges with red trim, black decals on the hood, fully automatic HID headlights, 18-inch wheels, blacked out trim, and side mirrors to match. Up top we have a dual pane panoramic sunroof that looks great opened or closed. You'll get the most out of the 3.6-liter V6 engine with sport mode enabled as you sit comfortably inside the black leather interior. Taking advantage of the built-in navigation and a 1-year free trial of Sirius XM radio. Keeping your mind at ease thanks to the blind spot detection. Convenient features like auto start and a power liftgate make this car as practical as it is fun. So come on down to East Hills Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram to choose from our wide selection of vehicles, or give us a call at 844-277-0612.